We're based in Western Pennsylvania, which had traditionally a lot of heavy industry. And so there's a lot of need in this area with old infrastructure to update it. So that was how our company was born.
We've had probably about a 25, 30-year partnership with Siemens. And that partnership has enabled both Siemens and our own company to grow, helping local manufacturing and manufacturing all over the United States.
Our customers that use Premier Automation as a solution partner know that Premier Automation has been working with Siemens for decades and that their application engineers have been to our classes and know our technology and our products and have direct communications with the manufacturing units and the engineers globally.
We're always trying to be as cutting edge as we can, and as a solutions partner, we have to have that ability to be able to react when a customer has a need. And if we don't have that expertise or don't have that experience, we will seek out that information and become what I call masters of that type of work. We try to champion everything that we do.
From a national perspective, the Siemens Solution Partner Program offers us a platform for marketing visibility. People can find us through Siemens, and that's awesome for us, so we can go out there and do what we do best on a national level.
Keeping pace with advancing technology is critically important for any manufacturer, and being a Siemens solution partner allows Premier Automation to have access to the most cutting-edge technology in areas like Industry 4.0, where the landscape is continuously changing. Having Premier Automation have access to the Siemens brand and the Siemens network really allows us to provide solutions more effectively, more efficiently, and with higher quality on the first try.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.